So folks, we continue furthermore along the ridge that I showed you earlier. From that spot where is located the hut, the Echo hut. Now we're very close to the hut, like 30 minutes from the hut, the Ram wall, which in Bulgarian means is Hija Kozeta stena, and the Echo hut means Hija hut in Bulgarian. So you can see that mountain bridge from this side. From this corner we can see more and more how curvy the mountain is and how amazing this rich and beautiful it is. So the pathway is like a couple of pathways passing. One of them is down near the forest part, the other one is near the mountain ridge, and now I continue to the other side. Maybe 20 minutes until the hut Kozja stena, or in English the Ram wall hut. And Stasi somewhere down there, she took the other path, the down one. I will call her now. So let me show you now the view from the other side. It's beautiful here also to just walk and see these spectacular mountains. And the clouds today are beautiful. Yes, just perfect. Here's the hut. Yeah, about 20 minutes. Perfect. We want to drink coffee. Since yesterday we haven't drink coffee. So we will have some sweets, chocolates, sweets and some coffee in that hut over there. You should be able to see it in the distance. Yeah. This is gonna be our coffee station. Amazing forest, yeah? It's just so interesting. You see the other part here. I have some rocky parts of the ridge. Rocky and bushy. Not much grass here or trees, and yet it looks so beautiful, unique in its own way, sexy, like I like to say. Nature is so sexy. The sexiest thing in the world for me is nature. That's just crazy. That's spirit for the soul, soul for the spirit, however you want to call it. And I want to walk the mountains as much as I can until my last breath, if I can. Of course, God help me. See you in my next video. Please subscribe, give me a like, and I am sweaty, guys. I'm very sweaty. Check the hut worth, and over there Kamenica Peak, in the one in the clouds. And yeah, see you a bit later, and later we'll show you again video from the Kozja stena hut and drinking coffee with Stasi.